some of the material that is in this book called The Miseducation of the Negro that I really love. Because you find so the system of a teacher, so if you have a piece of paper, so you're certified in this, and you're certified in that. But think about a youth coming out of the home of a farmer. That you know farming subconsciously. This youth could get into farming and take his father's farming business on a high level. But that father is going to tell the youth that he need to go to school to go become a lawyer. When this youth finish his studies and he's a certified lawyer, it's hard for him to get employed within a firm because he never grew up around people who were lawyers. The other youth who grew up in a home that his father is a lawyer and he became a lawyer, his father can hire him in his firm, or he knows somebody in his network of attorneys that can hire him. So it's full time we start teaching youth some proper education as opposed to the superficial idea of being educated.